What is high ticket affiliate marketing? Well, in general, affiliate marketing is basically where you're promoting other people's products. It can be from anywhere, any company that offers affiliate links so you can promote their products, whether it's on social media or whether it's through your blog or website or whatever. It could be Pinterest. However you're going to promote it, they'll give you a special link. Then once somebody clicks on it, then you will get a commission. The only difference between, let's just say, high commission products or versus just regular affiliate marketing products is your commission. When people say high ticket affiliate marketing versus just affiliate marketing, high ticket just means, let's just say you're on Amazon, you're affiliate with them, and let's just say you're selling something for $20. Well, your commission may be only $2.80 or $2.75 because Amazon dropped their commission stuff on all their stuff. But if, let's say your goal is $4,000 a month that you want to make extra, and anything over that is just gravy. Well, you need a minimum of $4,000. Well, it's going to take a lot of $20 sales to get, especially when your commission is only $2, to get $4,000. So when people say high ticket sales, they're usually talking about something like, it could be a cruise, it could be airline tickets, it could be big products to purchase, and it could be a course, it could be anything that you're going to sell that say maybe it's a couple $100. You could be in the health and fitness niche and you're selling vitamins, and and it could be a monthly subscription. It could be something where where you're going to get more money, because say it's when people buy something, it's like $300 or $400 or more, so your commission will be bigger. Plus, if you're trying to sell stuff on Amazon, since they dropped all their commission rates, you're going to lose, you're losing money anyways, just because the commission rates for Amazon is really low. That's why a lot of people, that may be one income stream, but they're not relying strictly just on Amazon. If not, they'll go hungry because their commission rates are too low. So the difference between high commission affiliate marketing and just regular old affiliate marketing is the same. You're going to put the same amount of effort in selling something on Amazon and getting $2.50 for, versus something that maybe that's $300 or $400. Then you're going to get more money from a commission off $300 or $400 than you would say just off $2.50. So that's the difference when people start talking about high ticket affiliate marketing versus regular affiliate marketing. They're the same. The only difference is your product. You're going to put the same amount of effort that you do for something on Amazon versus something else. If you're trying to promote it, whether it's you're buying ads or you're running an email campaign, it's the same amount of time, same amount of effort that you're going to put into that you would a high ticket. That's why everybody normally pushes the high ticket. That's why if you were to Google affiliate marketing, or you get on YouTube, you're gonna see high ticket affiliate marketing, which is it's affiliate marketing, but all you're doing is picking better products that have higher commissions, better companies that gives you higher commissions. It could be software, it could be anything, but you just want a higher commission, say, than versus something like Amazon, where you're not getting hardly nothing for your effort. But a lot of people use it. A lot of people sell. It's just that you got to have a lot of sales in order to make $4,000. Or you got to pick big products like cameras and that kind of stuff, TVs. But even then, their commission rates are so low, you still got to sell quite a few in order to make the money. But you can make the money. Don't get discouraged and say, oh, man, that's, I'm affiliate with Amazon. It's going to take me forever. So don't get, don't get, don't be all, get all down and saying, oh, I'm never going to make that. You will. You just have to pick better products and better companies to do business with as far as doing affiliate marketing. It's like I said, you're going to put the same amount of effort whether you're doing high ticket stuff or whether you're doing just regular affiliate marketing. I would look for something in between. If you're just getting started, or you've been doing affiliate marketing and you're having problems, and stuff's just not working the way you thought it was going to work, as easy as you thought it was by watching all the YouTube videos when everybody says you're going to make $5,000, $10,000 a month, then you realize, hey, this ain't that easy. Well, it's not that hard, but it's also not that easy. You got to put your time in. You need the training, you need the mentor, you need the advisor, because somebody, when you start telling people that you want to be an entrepreneur and you want to be start your own business, you're gonna have people come out of the woodwork tell you can't do it. You don't have the time, you don't have the patience. You got a 9-to-5 job, you don't have time. Everybody starts out with a job and doing this on the side. Everybody turns this into a side hustle, into a full-time job. How do you think people, when you're watching a video, just say like this one on YouTube, then all of a sudden they tell you, well, I quit my 9-to-5 job to become a full-time YouTuber? They do it because they keep putting videos out, then they get monetized, then they start putting commercials on it. That's why when you see it going across the screen, I know it's a little aggravating sometimes, but you're watching, a video, you get into it, then all of a sudden, bam, it goes to a commercial. Well, they're getting paid for that. They're getting monetized. That's part of the high ticket stuff, because they're getting paid to run that commercial on their YouTube channel, or Facebook or anything else. So keep that in mind that, if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, hey, that's one way to get, your high ticket stuff. But you got to remember, it takes time. YouTube's pretty tough. You got to put a lot of time and effort into YouTube versus just doing regular affiliate marketing. A few hours a day, with affiliate marketing, 2 or 3 hours, whether you work all day and you come in, put a couple hours in it at night before you go to bed, hey, that's great. That's what you need, but then you can still have time with the family, still get your business off the ground, still learn the skills. Because once you learn these high ticket skills, then nobody can take that away from you. If you're thinking about going to college right now, well, guess what? Everything's going up, so college is going up. You get a 4-year degree. Half the people who graduate with a 4-year degree are not actually probably doing, it's probably up in the 80s. It's so high that they're not even doing what they went to school for. So before you invest a bunch of money in going back to school, think about affiliate marketing and starting your own business. Because a few hours a day, that's all you need, then you could be well on your way. This time next year, you may be walking in and telling your boss you quit, just for the simple fact that you took action today. And just remember, the slots are filling up fast, so you need to kind of hurry if you're interested. If you want the training, if you want the mentor, the advisor walking you through everything and helping you along the way, pushing you, making sure that you're doing everything correctly. Because remember, we have guys that's been doing affiliate marketing for years. They already making 6, 7, 8 figures a year. So they know the shortcuts, the do's, the don'ts. You don't have to worry about, trying to figure stuff out or learning from somebody who has no idea what they're doing. These guys are going to show you the fast track. You will be on the fast track to getting success, starting your online business, and that's what you want. You don't want to be dragging your feet. You don't want to be trial and error. These guys, you're skipping all that. These guys have been doing it for years. They're going to walk you through it. They're going to show you the way you need to do that funnel, the way you need to do your email campaign. So it's no guess. They're going to show you the right way. So you start making money right off the bat. And while you're learning, you're doing it. So not only are you learning it, but you're also making money as you go. So keep that in mind. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my channel. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon and the share. And don't forget to like them all. And I'll see you next week. If we can help you, don't forget to hit the link in the description so we can get started today, because there's no reason to hesitate. Just remember, high ticket affiliate marketing is the same as affiliate marketing. The only difference is your product and your commission. So keep that in mind. No matter what video you see, that's what it is. That's all it is the product. So keep that in mind. If we can help you, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll see you next week.